Hello children, welcome to our new video of English grammar. Children, our new video is of chapter number 4 and chapter number 4 is singular and plural naming words. Okay children, our chapter number 4 is singular and plural naming words. Now open your book page number 1313. Page number 1313. This is the first page of your chapter 4. Look at the pictures, read the words given below each picture. Now what you have to do, see pictures are given and whatever is written below the picture you have to read it. See first picture. Picture of a girl is there. And what is written? One girl. Okay. Now see next picture. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 girls are there. So it's written 4 girls. Now again next picture. There is a picture of only one apple. And it's written 1 apple. Again in the next picture 1, 2, 3. 3 apples are there. And is written 3 apples. So 1 girl, 4 girls, 1 apple, 3 apples. Okay. Now see, the words girl and apple talk about one person and one object. Such words are called singular naming words. Children, we have seen in the first picture there is one girl and next 1 apple. Okay, so only GIRL girl is written and next APPLE apple is written. So children, whenever we talk about one person, one animal, one thing, whatever it is, whenever we will talk about only one, it is called singular naming words. Okay. See, definition is also given. When a naming word talks about only one person, animal, place or object, it is called singular naming words. Whenever we will talk about only one naming word, only one naming word, only one person, only one thing, only one animal, it is called singular naming words. And next see, the words girls and apples talk about more than one person and object. And children, when we have seen next picture, it was written GIRLS, girls, APPLES, apples. Okay, so it means that we are talking about more than one. It's written 4 girls, 3 apples, means we are talking about more than one. And when we talk about more than one naming words, more than one person, more than one object, more than one animal, whatever it is called plural naming words. So children, whenever we will talk about more than one, it is called plural naming words. Now turn the page. When a naming word talks about more than one person, animal, place or object, it is called plural naming word. So children, whenever we will talk about more than one naming words or more than one person, animal, place or object, it is called plural naming words. See in example, book, books, horse, horses. Now children, see where it is written books. There are so many books. So we will not count all the books and write such and such number of books. 8 books, 10 books, 12 books. We will not write like this. We will just add S in the naming word book and make it plural. In the same way, horses. Will not count the number of horse. We will just add S in the naming word horse and make it plural. Okay children, in the same way we'll do about all the naming words. Now next definition I have given, singular naming words. When we talk about only one person, place, animal or object, it is called singular naming word. Earlier also I have explained. For example, one ball, one tree. Whenever we will talk about only one person, place, animal or object, it is called singular naming word. And next, plural naming words. When we talk about more than one person, place, animal or object, it is called plural naming words. For example, balls, trees. See children, I have not written the number. I have just written balls. I have just added S in the naming word. Trees. Again I have added S in the naming word. Now a rule is there to change singular naming words into plural naming words. And what is that rule? By adding S in the singular naming words, we can make the words plural. By only adding a letter S, we can make a singular naming word into plural. For example, boy, boys. I have added only S. Chair, chairs. Here also I have added only S. Pencil, pencils. Cat, cats. Now next, bookwork is there. Look at the pictures below. Write S for singular and P for plural naming words. See children, it's very easy. Wherever there is picture of only one object, only one person, you have to write S. And wherever there is picture of more than one, you have to write P. See the first picture, dogs are there. You can see there are 4 dogs. So naturally it will be plural. Again balloons. Again 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons are there. So it's plural. Now flower. We can see only one flower is there. So it's singular. Next is boys. Again 3 boys are there. So we'll write P. So wherever there is singular, you have to write S. Wherever there are plurals, you have to write P. Next, question number 2. Find the singular and plural naming words from the box given below. Write them in the space given. What you have to do? Help box is given. Some words are given. You have to choose singular naming words and write in singular naming word box. Again you have to choose plural words and write in plural naming words box. 2 boxes are there. One is for singular naming words, one is for plural naming words. So you have to choose according to the box and write in the box space is provided. Okay. Now next question. Look at the following pictures. Choose naming words from the box and write them below the correct picture. Again children, help box is given. You have to choose the correct name and write below each picture. And for plurals, you have to add S in that naming word and write below the pictures. See in the first picture, picture of hen is there. So we will write H-E-N, hen. We'll choose the word hen from the help box and write in the space given. And for plurals, we will add S. 4 hens, H-E-N-S. In the same way, second picture is of a kite. So we will write K-I-T-E, kite. And for plural, we will add S in the naming word kite. It will be K-I-T-E-S, kites. In the same way, you have to do. See, I have done. Now next, question number 4. Color the odd one out. Odd one out, earlier also I have told you, means whatever is different from rest of the words given. Whatever is different from rest of the words given, it is called odd one out. First one is dog, books, ants, cows. Now children see dog. Only naming word dog is given. And rest books, S is added. Ants, again S is there. Cows, again S is there. It means dog is singular and books, ants and cows are plural. Again question number B, roses, pens, cat, eyes. Again see, in roses, pens and eyes, S is added and cat, only cat is there. In the same way, you have to do question number C, D and E. Now some homework. Read the lesson carefully. Next one, learn the definition and rule of singular and plural naming words. And next one, do page number 14, 15, 16 and 17 in book. Children, I have done all the book work. Pictures are given. Please do it in the same way. Thank you, children.